Hi everybody, my name is Javier Reyes and I live in Paris, California. I heard about OctoClean because my mom was an employee for one of the franchise owners previously, and that's how we found out about OctoClean. We were given the opportunity to be able to start a franchise. We were a bit hesitant at the beginning, a little bit scared, frightened to what to expect. But here at OctoClean, we felt very welcomed, and there's a lot of help you find around, so you're not on your own. Well, us as a family, we are all involved. Everybody tries to do their own part here and there. I wasn't previously involved at the beginning. It was more my parents wanted to involve in the franchise, but my parents weren't so email friendly and all that stuff, so they needed somebody to step up to that position, and they told me about it, and that's how I came about being the franchise manager. But we all contribute in one way or another to help in making this run. I think what makes it unique for us, our franchise, is that our employees, our family, we all get along in that way, and we all work towards one goal. And at the end of the day, we're really happy with the outcome, and you feel good and in the night leaving the building knowing it's clean, and you have that satisfaction within yourself. And the way that our parents raised us, it was always hardworking, trying to do things right, not take any shortcuts or anything like that. So I think that helped a lot influence into this franchise, because there's no cutting corners around here. We take care of Mountain View Plaza in Loma Linda, and we also do Riverside Medical Clinic in Temesco Valley. It's very important because they see a lot of patients throughout the day, but just having that thought in your mind of being clean and everything has to be disinfected and properly, I think that in a way puts pressure on us, but we have to make sure it gets done right. COVID-19, the way it affected us was, everyone. It was a big hit for everyone, but in our field, it was more rigorous in the form of cleaning. But in that sense, it did create more work for us, which I'm grateful for the work right now. What we enjoy most is being able to communicate like that, in that way with our family, since it's a family business. But just knowing that you're getting things done right, and like I said, you leave at the end of the night knowing that your building is clean for the customers and everything like that. My advice for somebody that is interested in owning a franchise with OctoClean is go for it. You have plenty of resources where you won't feel alone here. Where customer service, quality inspections, and you're out there training when you first do get your account, which helps a lot for new people that are looking to join. But I'd say definitely join the OctoClean franchise system. All right, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.